Hey everyone! The MOVA P50 Pro Ultra is intended for individuals who live in a fast-paced environment where daily tasks are frequently neglected and time is constantly scarce. This model presents itself as a complete floor care solution that minimizes manual maintenance and maximizes automation, rather than just a robot vacuum. The P50 Pro Ultra leaves a lasting impression with its substantial package right out of the box. A sizable multi-purpose docking station that functions as a genuine self-service hub is included with the robot itself. The set includes a brush cleaning tool, branded cleaning detergent, 2 mop pads with holders, a dust container, a spare dust bag for automatic disposal, and a side brush. The main attraction here is the docking station. It is far more than just charging. The garbage is emptied into a 3.2-liter waste bag at the base when the robot automatically returns after each cleaning cycle. The station moves on to a more sophisticated washing procedure if mopping was a part of the cycle. The mop pads are properly cleaned using hot water and cleaning solution, as opposed to just being rinsed. The mop cleaning mechanism is impressive in and of itself. Warm air drying eliminates unwanted odors and residual moisture after washing. After several wet cleaning cycles, many robot vacuums start to smell musty, but this system's mix of hot washing and active drying maintains the pads clean and fresh. The P50 Pro Ultra can do both dry and wet cleaning in a single pass when used regularly. It competes with confidence in the flagship category thanks to its suction power of up to 19,000 pascals. The way carpet is handled is especially excellent. To prevent moisture transmission, the mop pads automatically raise by around a centimeter when they go close to carpets. Additionally, there is a sophisticated setting that enables the robot to fully remove the mop modules at the station before beginning carpet cleaning. In this mode, it vacuums carpets independently after first washing hard surfaces and then returning to drop off the mop modules. 2 revolving pads that revolve at a speed of more than 200 revolutions per minute make up the mopping mechanism itself. The pads actively brush away dirt and stains by applying pressure, as opposed to dragging cloth across the floor. The companion app allows you to precisely control the water flow. The settings allow for customization, whether you need a wetter, more thorough clean for kitchen spills or a lightly moist pass for delicate wood flooring. A sophisticated stain identification algorithm improves performance even more. The robot recognizes highly filthy regions and automatically intensifies cleaning using internal sensors and camera-based detection. It will make more passes until the area is thoroughly cleaned if there are muddy footsteps or coffee spills. The end product is a floor that dries fast and leaves no residue or stains. Battery performance is just as good. More than 130 square meters may be cleaned on a single charge, thanks to the included 5200 mAh lithium battery, which lasts for 2.5 to 3 hours. For the majority of apartments and medium-sized homes, that entails an uninterrupted cleaning cycle. So, the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra fulfills its promise of nearly complete automation. It offers strong suction, intelligent carpet handling, sophisticated mop washing with hot water, and adjustable cleaning behavior via a tap, all while minimizing operator intervention. It works more like a comprehensive floor cleaning system than a device for homes looking to maintain a clean home every day without spending time sweeping and mopping. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.